So this video is all about the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So Sami and I will just do fast unboxing, also the camera test, right? So, and then we share with you everything about it. Please subscribe to us, both of channels.
But don't forget, Sami will also have the video about 12S and 12 Pro. So keep in touch. Keep it too, right?
Yeah.
Keep
Whatever.
in touch too if you want to say hi, hello, everything. I love you, Sami. You can leave in the comments.
Yeah. Alright, so this is the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. This machine that I've expected so much, and I personally ordered one, and this is the demo machine. So in this video, I will just include unboxing, photo sample testing, and onto the benchmark, all of those, and my first impression, of course. For the detailed review, it will be on my channel later, so please subscribe if you haven't. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, this is kind of like black packaging. So on this side we have Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Well, of course, Xiaomi 12S Ultra co-engined with Leica. How can they miss that, right? Ooh, and at the bottom here we have some information. This is 12 gigs plus 250 gigs, 6 gigs storage, and some other information, blah blah blah. Here is audio, here is blah, blah. Yeah, you don't need to read too much about that. Just a second. Ooh, holy, wow. It's a little bit tight to open, so yeah, it's a little bit tight. Ooh, it's too tight. It's a little bit too tight, I guess. Wow. All right. So on the first layer we have an insert. Yeah, that's the usual stuff. We have the pen, a simple manual, and a transparent case. And then we have the phone. Holy Jesus. Holy cow, let me just, wow. This feels so premium. Okay, I'm not sure if all 12S Ultra comes with this leather design, but feels just so good. Okay, let me just put this thing off. It's just so good. Well, and my first impression is like it's not that heavy like the Xiaomi 11 Ultra that basically you can use as a weapon or something, but this is like a moderate and feels so good. And as you can see, this is the leather finish, and wow, this are the camera module, 120 times zoom and 50 megapixel main, and some other information I will just list on the screen. I'm not going to go through the specs of that. We have a lacquer here. Unlike this red lacquer we normally see, this lacquer is the white one. So let me walk you through the design very fast. So on top we have the speaker, and then the sound by home recording, infrared blaster, and noise mic, and also we have the volume rocker and the power key, right? And also the same here, we have the speaker Type-C and the SIM card slot. Let me just check what kind of type is this. Ooh, so still just like 12S or S Pro, it's dual SIM card, doesn't support SD card expansion, and nothing on this side. That's just a typical Xiaomi design, right? So let's just power the thing on, and I will run into the benchmark first, and then let's check out what's new about it. Wow, this feels so good. This is my first impression. So good, so premium. Yeah, it seems like I made the wise purchasing decision, right? Wow. Okay, I think I will just handle to manager to help me set everything up. So now I'm recording at 4K 60 FPS by 12S Ultra. Ooh.
Gente, gravando aqui pra vocês, deixa eu testar o foco. Nossa, bem rapidinho, né? Gente, eu tô maravilhada com essa câmera. Ela parece uma resolução muito boa. Vocês não têm uma noção das cores que eu tô vendo aqui, ó. Vou mexer um pouquinho pra poder ver aqui como que reage na luz. E agora, deixa eu começar a dar o zoom. Nós temos aqui 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 de zoom. Ué, não é 15 que nem o outro também? Não entendo como que são as partes de configurações aqui da Xiaomi. Deixa eu andar só um pouquinho rapidinho pra vocês, pra ver a parte de estabilização. Ó, gente, muito estável, né? Ah, eu vou comprar um pra mim desse aqui, depois eu testo melhor pra vocês, tá? Bom, gente, testando aqui a câmera selfie. Olha só que câmera maravilhosa. Eu gostei tanto dessa câmera da qualidade que ela deixa mostrando todos os defeitos da minha pele. Mas olha só que incrível, dá até pra ver aqui, ó, meu rosto suado. Uma câmera muito boa. Apesar de todos eles virem com câmera de 32 megapixels, eu achei que essa aqui parece que ela pega mais detalhes. Eu não sei se é impressão minha, deixa aqui nos comentários, por favor.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
So that's the 12S Ultra. Wow, seems really nice, right?
Really incredible.
Yeah, the leather, the finish is really incredible. So Sami, what's your impression of it?
Everything seems premium. So if you want to know more details about this phone, don't forget to leave in the comments and we'll try to test everything you need to know.
We ordered one, so stay tuned for that. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sami, you done?